most of the details in here, but it's very important that you continue the home exercise as you minimize your treatments here. Okay. Any questions or comments on this? So let's continue with the same protocol. We'll do full spine adjustment, the fairly intense contraction, and we'll do some ultrasound massage routines. Stretch this out a little bit here. Relax your lower back, relax your shoulders. Okay, so now some coming up, please. We'll go to the next room.
We are your pain relief authority. Come visit our clinics and experience Mabuhay today.